Today we're here in the lovely city of Bath, at Bath University, where we are hosting the first, I hope of many, Orthotics Technology Forums.
I've been following Delcam's products for a little while. I have an iCube 3D scanner that I use at the moment from our orthotic manufacturer, and just interested in some more information about CAD/CAM production and possibly moving into my own setup to become self-sufficient. Yeah.
We've been talking for probably the last 18 months about trying to go onto a CAD/CAM system. We have an in-house workshop, so we're kind of all as one. So it would be evaluating really going onto a different system at the expense of probably a member of staff or our growth factor. And it's really trying to see whether we can do it ourselves or whether we just need to be one end of a system and use a trained lab at the other end rather than our own lab. So it's just trying to get that background to get people's experiences.
We're exploring, sort of late stage exploring Delcam product in terms of moving from decentralized manufacturing where we have 12 or 13 individual labs to one large lab. And so we're in the process of buying Delcam equipment, software, and matching up with millwork.
I'm also interested in scanning, and Delcam is here promoting it, so I just thought there was a fabulous opportunity to, first of all, find out about the scanner, but also at these conferences it's a wealth of information because you've got fabulous names that are hugely academic, and you can learn just so much from meeting people. You can learn as much from, in the coffee breaks as you can from the actual conference itself.
In order for an event like this to have any credibility, you can't overbrand it. So what we've done here at Bath is allowed all different types of technology, including competitive technologies, to come in and present. We think it's important that all technologies are exposed, and we're confident enough in what we have to offer not to worry about allowing competition in. We have a very broad spectrum of speakers. In terms of geographical spectrum, we've got people from Australia, we've got people from Qatar, from the US, from Canada talking, the UK obviously. And in terms of technology, we've got people who are talking about the basics of optics right the way through to mathematical modelling of a sole of a shoe. We've got people talking about rapid prototyping technologies. We've got people talking about cryogenic machining very soft materials in a frozen state. So you've got simple technology discussions that are applicable today, and you've also got technologies that are coming in the future. So it's quite a nice spectrum of technological flavours, so to speak.
Always fellow Aussies is keen to hear Craig Tenner and Craig Payne, and today we get to hear Phil Wells speak, and yeah, very interested in some of the new material technologies in the 3D printing as well.
So it's also interesting for me to see how they have translated their technology from other fields and how it's all working in podiatry. So it's all sort of like putting a big puzzle together.
On a personal level, I would like to see this become an annual event. This year we had 5 or 6 sponsors. What we hope is that next year other sponsors will come in and keep this event going, and it will grow from here to become something that people put into their calendars every year.
We ended up meeting suppliers, like-minded clients that are using technology that we're about to buy. There's a great transfer of knowledge, and it really solidified our decision to move forward.
So there's been different speakers giving different perspectives, and hopefully giving us a little bit more perspective on where things are going and what people want out of CAD/CAM. I need to listen to the clinicians because they're my customers, but also understanding where the software providers are going, so we can hopefully be one step ahead of our competition by nudging and being there and being at the front of the queue when it comes to new technology.
The event has really been about technology. It's been an opportunity for Delcam to bring all the people that they're working with and expand on knowledge for other people and expand the knowledge for technology.
I think it's been a fantastic event in terms of the way that we've been able to bring together the communities of the vendors, the software vendors, hardware vendors, podiatrists, clinicians, and they've also been able to see some of the research that's been going on within Bath, and also being able to see where the future could be.
It's been great because somebody who had little knowledge coming here, there's been quite a lot of information about new stuff that's very innovative with regard to your cryogenics, and ongoing stuff that's been about Delcam that's got stuff around for probably the last 3 years. So again, they've come a long way, and it's really great to see how much has grown and to get an overview. I mean, that is the most fantastic thing about it, really.